Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. If you see any notifications popping up in the corner, I apologize in advance. I happened to comment on a very interesting Facebook status, and apparently I should have thought better about that before I decided to do any screen recording. So here I am, Megan Monroe, the Millennial Billionaire, and I have been in internet marketing for about 2.5 years now. I've been extremely successful, generated multiple six-figure incomes from different businesses. I have 8 streams total. I'll share some of those with you guys, but really we're focusing on one thing right now, and this is awesome free app that got me $400 and 150 leads within 3 hours. I'm not here to sell you on this little app. I'm not here to even tell you you need to do it. What I am going to explain to you is why a lot of people, the general public, let things like this opportunity go right over their head because of skepticism. So this was a mini financial social experiment gone right. I was just trying to use my normal network marketing skills and direct sales skills in this system, and it worked out extremely well. Everybody got a little bit of a bag, and so if this is you, pay attention. Work until your bank account looks like a phone number, and if yours looks like 911 right now, tune into what I have to say in the next 5 minutes. I'll try and keep it short. So, for those of you guys who are wondering if I'm qualified to sit here and yell at you about maybe not being so skeptical, this is just a couple examples of some streams that I do. I'm in Forex trading. I trade cryptocurrency. I have 4 multi-level marketing businesses. I have 1 direct sales business that's my own. One of my weekly paychecks is posted right here for $13,500. I'm completely qualified to be telling you what you should be doing with your money and your free time. So, Step 1, the presentation. This is a blank slide, pretty much, besides the picture of what I posted on social media, and I'm going to explain to you why this post works. I'm going to read it to you really quick. You can make $10 for every friend you have on Facebook from a free app for a limited time only. Okay, first of all, first 2 lines of this, you can obviously tell that this was made up by a marketer. I actually copy and pasted this post, which I'm completely against normally, but I didn't want to give too much time to this thing, right? So you can make $10 for every Facebook friend that you have. Automatically, people are like, okay, I have 5,000 Facebook friends. What's 5,000 times 10? That's a lot of money. I think I'm going to try this. The second line, from a free app for a limited time only. Okay, so I can sign up for free. I got a lot of Facebook friends, and it's only for a limited time. I need to take action on this. Then it proceeds to break down, the example on how many Facebook friends. So now we're painting a picture. 1 friend equals $10. 10 friend equals $100. 100 friend equals $1,000. There's no cost whatsoever. You don't have to pay for anything because people are broke. Let's just face it. We just talked about the 911 bank account over there. You will be so surprised how many of your friends do not have a savings account. If you don't have one, that's a problem. And maybe you should run one up with this free app. Maybe that's something that you do. But anyways, I had everybody comment free money on my post. And it came out to about 336 comments and 100 shares by the end of the promotion. Every single comment that commented free money on my post, this is how I responded to them. It was the invitation to my inbox. So the first one was the presentation. Now we're in the invitation. Share this post, which is the initial post that I posted about money. It opens up Facebook algorithms. It allows Facebook to give me more of my audience. For those of you guys who don't know, Facebook limits you to about 3 to 5% of your Facebook friends. So if you have 5,000 Facebook friends, there's about 250 to 500 people that actually see your stuff on average, and that's not very good. The second step was follow me on Facebook. It generates a following quickly. I went from 600 followers to 928 followers when I did this last time. Message me free money. It's an invitation and a qualification because with free opportunities, a lot of times people are lazy. They don't want to do what it takes to do it because they don't value it. When you have someone that they have to do these steps, then they've earned it. They've earned my time in my inbox. I'm a very busy person. I don't like wasting my time with broke people. Keeping it simple, the introduction. So I have a message that I copy and paste. It's got my link. The first instruction, because people just don't understand things sometimes, click this link. It ensures that they use your referral link. Step 2, download the app. Simple instruction because people are clueless. Step 3, link a debit or credit card to ensure you get paid. For some reason, this step gives people the heebie-jeebies. They're like, oh my god, I didn't know how to put bank information in there. Susan, how do you expect to get paid? That's all I gotta say about that one. So invitation qualification for access to your funnel. So if someone makes it to this step, this is really exciting because they understand that what you just did works, and they know that they just went through this whole process with you. They've got $5 for linking their card. You just got your $10 referral, or in this case, I think it's $8 right now. Which is awesome. Step 4, meet my dear friend, the BAM Fam. This is a little advanced for people who have no clue about marketing at all. So I'm just going to elaborate on this. It could go over your head. It could go into your head, whatever. Message me after you're done for the next step. So I have them go through steps 1, 2, and 3, which is downloading the app, using my referral link, and linking the card. Now they're going to message me when they're done for the next steps. The message is crucial. It's called booking a meeting from a meeting. Never leave a conversation with a prospect open-ended. Always confirm a connection planned for a later date, aka follow-up. I had a lot of people, the night that I posted it, it was really late and I was bored actually. So I had about, I think I ran up $400 or something like that, and I had people that connected me on a later time, saying, hey, I'm going to bed right now, I don't have my card on me, but I'll get to this first thing in the morning. So I made a time that I was available to make sure that they could get started and make their free money. Follow-up, that's a big deal. Helps keep your calendar full. A calendar full of appointments mean more opportunities to be financially compensated, and everybody loves to get paid. The last step, I don't know what I just said. It was a weird word that I made up apparently. The last step, pass on your presentation. So, that's how simple direct sales, network marketing, all of these big businesses that I've made 6 figures on, all the things my mentors are doing, that's how simple it is. It's literally running people through an information funnel, getting them educated with an opportunity, getting them signed up, and then giving them your presentation in order to repeat it. I love this little promotion because it really teaches people that you can make money online. You guys, whether it's trading or otherwise, building a business, you don't have to recruit for a lot of things that we do. This just shows you that there is money out there and there's money to be made. This is a referral program. So I just wanted to break this down and explain to you guys. I have had, the first time I had 43 people sign up within the first few hours, and they all got money. I think everybody earned over a total of $1,500. And then there was my money on top of that. And so that was cool because it's a free app, no risk, and people are just really skeptical of stuff. So I figured I'd make this presentation, and who knows, people might watch it, people might not. But it's going to help you understand that, internet marketing is a good way to make money, and you don't have to, it's not scary, and you're not going to get scammed. And if I were to get scammed by someone, the whole world would know about it. So, if I'm doing it, it's good enough for me, it's good enough for you. But I am the Millennial Millionaire, and I hope that this was helpful for some people, and I hope that you, can run up a good paycheck with this. I ended up, I don't know what I paid for. I think I flew to some state with the $400. Me and my son went to Florida, I'm pretty sure. But that's just a quick example, and I'm going to get off of